This is the reason why you're losing followers, all right? Followers are coming into your account, but they're not reflecting. You're seeing 99 plus every single day, but they're not reflecting on your account, all right? In this video, I'll teach you 6 reasons why you might be losing followers, all right? So if you're a small creator or you're a top creator and then you all of a sudden you notice that your followers are not doing well anymore, you're now reducing, all right? Like this video, save this video, and repost this video to whoever might need it. I've been seeing a lot of comments in my comment section and also in my DM about why my followers reducing. In this video, I will teach you exactly what you need to do. The first reason why you're losing followers is you stopped posting. Many of you started with a very high momentum. You started posting like 10 videos a day, 5 videos a day. All of a sudden, you double down to 2. You started posting once a week, and then now you stop posting because you feel like you're growing. So you need to reduce the number of ways you post. That is very wrong. First of all, your followers are seeing that you're not as active as you used to be, and now they're unfollowing you. That's one. And two, the algorithm is saying that the only way to get your attention is to start reducing your follower count. Okay, so what that means is the followers are not really reducing, but they are just removing themselves. Okay, so immediately you start posting again, you notice that those followers will start coming back almost immediately. So you need to make sure you start getting active the same way you started that account. Another reason why your followers are reducing is because you changed location. All right, some of you travel a lot. I mean, the travel creator will definitely testify to this. When you move from one region to the other, all right, the followers in those particular region will shift. Okay, the algorithm will start looking for new audience to send your videos to. Okay, so in that particular time frame in which you move from location A to location B, all right, your followers will start reducing. Okay, because the algorithm needs to find a new set of people to plug in your videos to. In order to fix that, all you have to do is just to wait for like 2 to 3 weeks so that the algorithm can find the new audience around your new location or your new region so that your followers can start coming as it should be. Another reason why you're losing followers or your followers are not reflecting is because of your phone memory. Your phone memory is filled up, all right? So you need to clear your phone cache. All you have to do is click on the hamburger sign, all right? Click on settings and privacy, and then scroll down to free up space, all right? When you see free up space, you click on cache, then you clear cache, and then after you've cleared your cache, you restart your phone, and then voila, your phone is back to the way it's supposed to be. And then you will notice that every single followers that comes in this time are coming to stay and are also coming to reflect on your account. The next thing you need to do is update your app. Many of you have not updated your app for a very long time, for months or for years. In fact, TikTok always drop new updates in order to fix bugs or probably to actually launch a new feature. All right, they always update the app. So you need to go straight right now to your app store or your Google Play Store to actually re-update your app, or probably you delete and re-download. But remember, if you delete and re-download your TikTok app, your draft clears off. Okay, so you need to have that in mind before you actually go for it. If you've tried all of these points and nothing seems to be working, the next thing you should do is to contact support. You need to contact TikTok yourself to explain the issue you're having so they can fix it right there and now. All you have to do is to click on the 3 hamburger sign, okay? You click on settings and privacy, and then you scroll down to report a problem, okay? Then you click inaccurate follower count. Then you tap no, and also tap on need more help. All right, here you see an interaction, and then you click on interaction as well. Now, many of you get this particular section really wrong. All right, you need to have proof of what you're talking about. You need to have a before and after of what your account is like. If you're having a reduction in followers count, you need to have what your followers is looking like before and what is looking like now. For instance, you have 200,000 followers and now you have 170,000 followers. There should be proof. Then you send this screenshot, you attach it after sending the message, "Hi TikTok, my followers are reducing and I do not know why. Kindly check and fix this problem as soon as possible." Then you add the screenshot to show what you're talking about. Okay, if you don't want to add a screenshot, you can also add screen records showing how the followers are coming in but they're not counting. Right there, the TikTok support team would listen to you and reply you in the next 24 hours. The next one is change your phone. Some of you are creating content with a flagged phone, all right? So no matter how many content you create, you're still going to be running into one issue or the other. So for follower reduction, make sure you change your phone. If you've tried all of the steps and none is working, that will be all for now. Share and repost this video to whoever might need it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.